I would have laughed and said, "Are you kidding?" I was in the tree spade manufacturing industry for over 20 years. And one of my formidable competitors was Dutchman tree spades. If you would have asked me 20 years ago, would you ever buy a Dutchman? I would have laughed and said, "Are you kidding me? There's no way." Marlon, I think, had a great laugh. And Marlon, you should comment on this. You would have had a great laugh when you saw me buy my first Dutchman wrapper a couple years ago. We are excited to get this baby going. It's a 28-inch 4-blade, so it digs a true about a 31. We're going to use this for root pruning mostly. Still, Lamar will have the place in my heart for tree spades. Put so much time there. We think it's a fantastic piece of equipment. It does so well for us in our farm, but we're excited to get this thing going too, and looks well built, and I know they've treated me so fair up to now. So just want to do a shout out to Dutchmaster, thank them for their service, and we're looking forward to a good year this 2024. It's a good spade. Marlon, you guys made a good spade.